Welcome to the therapy.co. Let me show you how to book a session. First, choose the therapist you like to work with. Pick the appointment type. If you are a new user, you can book a 30 minutes introductory session. Click Set Time Zone. Choose your appointment date and time. Every session is 50 minutes. Click Reserve without paying. Fill in credit card details. No charge will be made unless there is no show for the session. That's it. Your appointment is made. To begin your session, log in, then go to My Appointment in your dashboard. Click Start Session. Have a good one.